Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got my 2011 Jetta MK6 TDI diesel. And what the issue was is that one day I went out to start it, and I had the red steering wheel of death. I put my scanner on it, and it came up as 00778 steering angle sensor, no signal communication, 01309 power steering control module J500, no signal communication. I used VAGCOM to do that. And this is where you really need to do some troubleshooting before you start spending a lot of money on parts, because power steering rack is not cheap. So down below where the driver's headlight is, it's broken away now because I touched the wire, but I seen the wire looked a little funny. But when I touched it, the tape broke, and there was 3 wires that were broken, a purple and 2 orange. And upon further inspection, those were the 2 CAN bus wires and the 1 power wire. So I just about to solder them back together. I think what happened is that the wire was pulled a little bit tight, and then they just ended up just snapping off. But I soldered them together, then I zip tied that wire connection to the hose so it's not bound tight. Moment of truth, jump in the car, start it up. I didn't clear any codes, so the red steering wheel light of death is gone. Power steering's back, but I still got the steering angle sensor, and I reset that by going all the way to the left, all the way to the right, and then drive a little bit, and then that code cleared off. I do have some light code still, but that's from using LED lights that are not CAN bus compliant. So there you have it. If you have the issue, it could be very possible in the same place mine was, but double check the CAN bus and that purple wire, which is a power, to make sure that they're not damaged in any shape or form, because that knocked out my power steering and gave me those codes. I soldered them back together, taped it up. So far it's working great. No issues. I hope this video helped you guys out and saved you a lot of money. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.